This is Shanthan Kumar Reddy. I am a CSE graduate student in 2024. I placed in the Cotivity as a data analyst with the help of Innomatics Research Labs. In college, there is no proper knowledge on the data analyst, so I decided to plan for the institute. I referred some of the places. I finally know about the Innomatics Research Labs. I called to the team where I know the curriculum of the data science. After joining Innomatics Research Labs, initial stage, there is no confidence on me whether I crack an interview or not. In the first week, there is no knowledge on data analyst. I did not understand that coding and all things. After later on, some of the days, like mentors helped me how to learn the coding, how to implement the coding. Afterwards, I prepared that notes and I follow that notes. And some of the doubts where I struggle, friends are helping me with the mentors in my journey with Innomatics Research Labs. The one thing to help me to crack this job is one-on-one mentoring, where they clarify doubts in a simple manner and with real-time projects and real-time examples, and I gain the knowledge to crack my job. Second thing, mock interviews. In the way they taken my interviews helped me to crack my job. With the same experience I faced with the Cotivity interview process, so I cleared without any anxiety. And the last thing is resume building. In the initial stages where I am applying jobs, the resume are rejecting because of there is no proper way in the resume. Mentors are helping me to prepare the professional resume where the companies are accepting and I getting calls. These things help me to crack my job. I would like to thank Innomatics team, and they supported me like to push for the job, and I cracked the job with the help of them. I thanking you, my parents, where they supported me a lot in the struggling times, in the time of interviews or anything. They supported me a lot. Overall, Innomatics gave me not just skills but also confidence to start my career in the right direction.
Innomatics Research Labs. We don't just train, we transform careers.